प्यारे बच्चों, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay ma, so we are in the concluding section of our one academic year, right? Now we are going to finish your 5th grade. By sitting in home itself you have finished your 5th grade, right? Are you missing the school? You want to see, pray to God to come, at least come next year. We should come and meet in the school and we should learn in the school itself, right? That is only good. Otherwise you are this is not good by sitting in home and learning and all. Isn't it not like school? It won't come. So what is the value of a school? Now you understood, right? What is the value of a teacher? What is the value of a school? What is the value of studies? That everything you learned from this 1 year, right? So pray to God, we will meet on the next year. Okay, then we finished everything, right? Don't keep any pending. If you have any pending, please finish it. Our exam is going to start on tomorrow, next week. So please learn well and prepare well for the exam. Okay, don't want to be tense and all. Okay, very easy questions and all, you can attend very easily. Okay, what and all will come, like we will I'll ask one passage from the given portions. Okay, whatever the portions I have given, from that one portion I'll give passage. From that questions will be there. That questions you should write from by seeing the passage itself. Okay, the meanings not only learn only English to Hindi to only, not only learn Hindi to English only, please learn English to Hindi also. Okay, learn both English to Hindi and Hindi to English, both you should learn. Okay, and in grammar what and all will come means akarma kriya sakarma kriya we learned, right? Akarma kriya and sakarma kriya. What akarma kriya means? Which is the sentence which is not having karma, that object won't be there, right? Vah sota hai, where he is sleeping, where he is sleeping, it is not given, right? That is akarma kriya. Vah bistar par sota hai, he is sleeping on the bed. So where he is sleeping? He is sleeping on the bed, right? So that is akarmag kriya. Vah sota hai without karma, if it is there, means akarmag kriya. No object will be there, means that is akarma kriya. Sakarma kriya means with object. Vah bistar par sota hai, that is sakarmak kriya. Understood? That you should learn. Then kal, we learned the tense, right? Bhutakal, Vartaman kal, Bhavishyat kal, right? Bhutakal means past tense, Vartaman kal means present tense, Bhavishyat kal means future tense. That also we learned. So he, haim, ho, whom and all will come, means that is Vartamana kal, right? Present tense means he, haim, ho, whom, that will come. If it is the sentence is ending with these four, like he, haim, ho, whom. If it is coming, means that is Vartamana kal. Okay, not the point. Then tha, the, thi, theme. If it is coming, means that is Bhutakal. Okay, tha, the, thi, theme, it is coming, means that is Bhutakal, past tense. Understood? Then ega, yege, yenga, yenge, unga, ungi, oga, oge, that and all will come now. That is Bhavishyakal, future tense. Okay, ega, yege, yenga, yenge, yengi, oga, oge, ongi, like that and all will come now. So that is Bhavishyakal. So Bhutakal past tense, Vartaman kal present tense, Bhavishyakal future tense. Okay, that you should identify the sentence. Okay, then Shruti Samafinnarthak Shabda means what? The words which will be seen as a same, like what we will say, akar, akar, both is akar and akar. When we are looking at it, means it looks similar, right? But the meaning is different. That is only Shruti Sama Finnarthak Shabd. That also you should understand how the words and all different is there na. Or, or means on that side, our means and, like that. So that is Shruti Sama Finnarthak Shabd. That also you should learn. Then Virama Chinna. We learn na Virama Chinna. Viram Chinna means like a more full stop, exclamatory mark, isn't it? Full stop, exclamatory mark. Then what and all is there? So many we learned. Comma, then single quotation, double quotation. More are there. That everything you should learn. What and all will come, when, where it will come, like that and all. Okay, if it is, learn the name of that chinna and all. Okay, so many is there. Hamsapadi chinna, Alpa Viram chinna, Purna Viram chinna. That name also you should learn. Okay, then ek shabd, one word. One word is there na for what साथ में पढ़ने वाला सहपाठी, हिंसा करने वाला अहिंसक, कहानी लिखने वाला कहानीकार, जो किया न जा सके असाध्य. Like this, so many we learned from textbook also there. So activity book also is there. That also you should learn. Okay, activity book, what and all page I have given, that much only you should learn. Okay. Then Anuvad. Anuvad you should learn. What is Anuvad? Anuvad, like sentence I have given, and from that you should learn, say the translation of that sentence, right? Not only learn only, don't learn only the Hindi to English only, learn English to Hindi also. Okay, for both you have to learn English to Hindi translation and Hindi to English translation, both you should learn. And then last one, like I used to ask na, that to draw the picture, you have to understand all the lessons content. Okay, you have to understand all the lessons content. I will ask any lessons picture you should draw. Without seeing the textbook, you should understand the content and what is the content of that lesson, that you should draw. Okay, don't see the book and draw. Without seeing the book, you should draw. Okay, that much you learn. Then while writing the exam, you should take a neat paper. It should be very neat. Don't take any damaged paper or any unnecessary paper like that, and you should not take. Please take a clean paper. Okay, then write your name, write your class, subject name, and also write the date. These 4 things it should be there on the paper. Okay, your name, class, subject name, and date. These 4 should be there. And writing also, it should be very neat. If the paper is not clean, if the paper is not neat, if these 4 things are not in the paper, and also the paper is not lengthy, if it is small, means I'll reduce 2 mark from your given mark. Okay, from your mark I'll reduce 2 mark. Don't forget, it should be very neat and clear. Okay, please give importance for the exam. This is your final exam, and learn well and prepare well and be ready for the exam. Okay, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.